In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a back ear bar from Monte Woodburner. So this is the back bar we are removing. You'll find it in the back wall of the firebox on the Monte Woodburner. I'm going to start by removing the screws on the back panel of the Monte. You can use a Phillips head screwdriver, or you can use a battery drill as well. Okay, so we're just going to remove the bricks from the back of the firebox underneath the back ear tube. And that will allow you to release the back ear bar from the firebox. Right, so I'm now going to replace the new back ear bar. So when we put this back in, you'll see the thread on the back side. There's a larger area up the top. This is to go on the top when putting it back in. So we are replacing it like that. So I'm going to start by doing that. See the two holes in the back. I'm going to start by putting the two bricks on the top back in place. So now we've replaced the ear tube, we're now going to tighten the nuts back on the bolts.